for those station buildings, just like Aberdeen, that are really important in city centres, and parts of them or bits of them fallen into disrepair, but have been crying out to be put back into something that can be used by the local business community or local community. And the ScotRail team and the Network Rail team and the Railway Heritage Trust guys have done so much work to make a building of such high quality that it's deserving of the award.
If you look at the station as a whole, 12 years ago it was looking really tired, and since then we've had the new concourse, we've had the canopy restored on platform 7, we've had the new frontage. This is the public face, this is the bit you see from outside, so having this scruffy when the rest of the station isn't would not have worked, and so the whole station is looking so much better now.